Hello, I just received the Osmo Pocket wireless module. This is the little 2.4 and 5 gigahertz wireless connector for the Osmo Pocket camera, and it's also got Bluetooth on and things. And what it allows you to do is just drop the camera into there, and it acts as a stand, and it also acts as a remote control for your mobile phones and iPads and things like that. So it's very, very useful. But just my curiosity, this cost £53 UK, and it's so light, it's 12.43 grams. And yeah, just my curiosity, I just want to open this up and just kind of have a look at just what's inside this tiny little thing here. It's got a USB-C connector on the back, so you can charge the camera whilst you are controlling it and doing very, very long shots and that sort of thing. But yeah, just this video is just about my curiosity. I want to kind of open this up and see just how much circuitry is inside this, and whether they could have actually put it inside the camera like the GoPros do. But it'll probably be added in version 2 of the Osmo Pocket. I don't really know. So yeah, let's try and open this up. There's no screws on view, but I don't know, if I peel this little sticker up on the bottom here, maybe there's a screw under there. I'm probably going to destroy this visually. Let's get under this thing. That's quite a tough little sticker, that is. So I'll peel this off. No, there's no screw underneath there. Right. So what's holding this together? Is it all snapped together? It has a sort of a rubber ring on the bottom as well to give it some grip. But maybe it's underneath there. Is that just a sticker? Let's peel this off. I'll try not to completely destroy it. There's some very tiny screws. Ah, good. So we've got 4 very small Phillips there. So yeah, there's no great reason I'm doing this video, only out of curiosity. As in, what are you getting for your 53 UK pounds? I was going to go and buy the entire set. There's a kind of a set for this, and you get the wireless module, you get a thumb wheel, but I kind of think they missed the trick on the thumb wheel, because you've got to use a little selector button to make it up and down or left and right. And I think it would have been nicer if they made an actual joystick, because a camera like this, you want to go up, down, left, right. You don't really want to go up and down or left and right. Ah, here we go. So, it's quite a big unit, that. Let's flip this up. How does this come out? So that's all that's actually inside. So there's a bit of a close-up of this thing. And as you can see, there's not a heck of a lot of components on there. There's a little group of components down here. Maybe that's something to do with the power. I don't really know. There's a little tiny LED on the end there. And USB-C that goes into the bottom of the camera, and the USB-C that sticks out the side of the actual module. And on the back, this is the actual clever part. This is the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module. I can't find any name on there, anything written on there at all, so I don't know who manufactures that. But what you tend to do with some projects, you buy the Wi-Fi USB module and then you drop it down onto the board. And as you see, it's actually a separate circuit board sitting on top of another circuit board. Can you see the raised bit there? So you'd buy this piece and then you design your board with these connections around the outside, and then just drop that into place, and away you go. The antennas are these shapes that you can see under the surface here, and they're just copper tracks that's coming through the aerial part. Try and keep that in focus. It's very difficult to keep this in focus because it's so small. These are kind of little sockets, so you can plug antennas in and things, but I wouldn't suggest doing that. This is probably been fine-tuned anyway. And these are the copper tracks, and they will lead all the way to the little antennas. So yeah, basically that's it. That's the Wi-Fi module. I'll just show you what I mean as in purchasable Wi-Fi modules. And here's one on another little unit that I've been working on, and that's just the Wi-Fi module, and there's the antenna on that. And you see how it's sort of piggybacked, one board on top of another. So you would purchase that and then integrate it into your design and just drop it onto a board with the connections around the outside. There you go. I just thought I'd show you what was inside it, really. I'll get this all back together. I hope it all goes back together now. Should do. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this little Osmo camera. It's very handy, and yeah, I like it a lot. But I do wish they'd have built the Wi-Fi into the actual unit. But looking on this thing, you could not really have placed a camera thread in the bottom here, because that would have punched through the Wi-Fi module that's on the actual circuit board. This would have had to be a little bit thicker to allow for camera thread adapter to be placed on that. There you go, look at that. You wouldn't have known I'd been inside it. I think I'd better plug the camera back into this and just make sure it all works still. So fortunately it's still working. I haven't destroyed it, and yeah, here it is on the iPad, and yeah, works a treat, this does. There's a little look around my workroom. Hello. So yeah, that's it's just my curiosity really. I just want to have a look at how things work, and I thought there would be a few sort of dedicated DJI chips in there, but it looks like it's just a Wi-Fi Bluetooth module that's sat on their board that they've made specifically for this camera. I do like the camera very much, and I really do like the way it follows you around and things, and it does make my filming a little bit easier. When you're out and about, you can just have this in your top pocket. It's so easy to just whip it out and do some filming. Anyhow, I hope you like that video. Thanks very much for watching. All the best. Bye-bye.